Today I'm gonna explain about this word 普通に. If you think 普通に only means normally, then you're making a big mistakes. I'm talking about big ass mistakes, brother. Let me fix it for you today, right? Textbooks and dictionaries usually translate 普通に as normally. So I don't blame you for that. But in casual Japanese, in real life casual conversational Japanese, we use 普通に as actually and pretty and stuff like that. But let me tell you this, if you really want to say normally in Japanese, right? You can usually say 普通は or 普段は instead. Let me give you an example. 普段は10時頃に寝てる. Normally I sleep around 10. So when we want to say normally, we use 普通は or 普段は. Let's get back to 普通に. The important thing is that I don't want you to memorize 普通に as one word. I want you to get used to remember them Japanese words, not only 普通に, but Japanese words in general as a chunk. So in this case, 普通に, we will do the same thing. 普通に plus extra word as a chunk. 普通に美味しい is actually good. 普通に可愛い is actually cute. 普通に無理 I seriously can't do it. Here's a little tip though. When we put いや in the beginning and じゃん at the end, then let's say いや普通に美味しいじゃん. That sounds like I expected the opposite. Maybe everybody told me it wasn't good. Then I actually tried it. Then I found out it's actually good. Then I would say いや普通に美味しいじゃん. 普通に美味しいじゃん. If somebody told you that it wasn't cute, but after you actually seen it, then you noticed that it's actually cute, you can say いや普通に可愛いじゃん. いや普通に可愛いじゃん. So I want you to remember this 普通に with the other extra words like 普通に美味しい, 普通に可愛い, 普通に好き I actually like it, 普通に無理 I seriously can't. Thank you so much for watching this today. I really appreciate y'all. And see you in the next one.